Yeah. Now, block kids who got the cocaine. Don't tell me it's the little kids on the boat train.
The metaphor sent from my brain to my jaw. It comes from other places, not the tinted faces. Journalistic values are yellow, and then of course focus. You watch Channel Zero with that.
Might be able to cut this on the bandsaw. Just, but what we can do is tape this thing up, get some more tape on it. Probably do this out of a nice machined billet machine thing, and then we can trim it out so we do a nice design up here.
I think it's tight.
Great. Now we just gotta cut it.
Only cut so far.
So I made the template on this side with the tape, and then I just pull it all off in one piece and flip it over. I have a couple marks, and then I can line those marks up with these holes and get everything lined up, and then transfer. Just gonna go right into it.
Yeah. Looks like a welding hood.
Well, now it's shorter. Throw a little fiberglass on it and fucking call it good. Bondo and shit. All right, let's cut the bottom of that fender off. And
Yeah, where do you want the end?
I think we just take it all the way out.
Okay.
What's the reason? Oh,
I'm gonna
knock
this off really fast.
You know,
Happy with that bigger fender?
that looks way better. Now you can see
So
the wheel,
cool.
and it looks way better. Like,
Yeah. Can we add like 2 inches?
at least. Do you like it?
Yeah, look. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Looks fucking almost perfect.
You're gonna say some shit like that.
We'll fix that later, don't worry. We'll fix your pockets.
That's what you guys are here for.
Good at that shit. Alright, sweet.
Then
Handlebars, time for handlebars. Yeah, rear fender's done. Send it to paint.
that's it. Oh, well. Pretty fucking different.
Yeah.
And now that Jake and I keep doing more and more like hard and road stuff, it's like,
Take that shit outside, go get a room.
Would you get rid of this? Could you cut this down or?
Maybe if we want to see in there. Oh yeah, we could cut that away from the bag. We could cut it so that the bag won't touch it. Yeah, well, no, and the end of next week, we gotta get it back to St. George because then we have
film.
they're filming the first episode. And then we're gonna take this piece and get
One go.
like, go ahead, cut it, I got it. And then we'll go, oh, we're not gonna do any work probably. We're just gonna hang out and talk about and pretend that we're
We're gonna have like
anything yet.
3D printed parts that we can hold up, which will probably look good, and then like show a part coming off the machine. Kyle talk about, he's like, the bike's down on the motor.
Oh yeah. Well, his is.
Well, it's like
His is totally stripped.
to think they're gonna like show up and film, and he's gonna be like, well, there's an engine.
All right. Well.
Yep.
Cool. Well, that's the dilemma. Is like how custom do we want to go? We kind of get like that. Let's keep it kind of close so that people can envision it and say, oh yeah, I could turn my bike into that. You know, as customizers, we're always like, let's keep chopping and make it way cooler. But I don't know. It's hard because it's like I want to just go chop and have fun. And cut the thing up and
Go crazy.
fucking super bitching. Like, it's one thing for us to be like, oh yeah, we want to chop this thing up and make a cool bike, whatever. But like, what's good for Indian?
Stuff that you just
Yeah.
bolt on and buy, it's like,
Always the best.
yeah.
So you kind of got to do both. It's have a bike that's bolt on and then a bike that's like wild, which we have another one of these. This thing's, got so much more potential.